In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download songs from YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, go to youtube.com, then make sure you are logged into your YouTube account, and after that click right here at your profile picture. After that we need to go to YouTube Studio, just click on it, and then we need to find audio library right here in the left sidebar menu. After that we can get into it, and that's where we can find a huge variety of different YouTube tracks. Right here, first off, I recommend you to filter that content, so you can click right here and then you can search for this song by their title. You can also filter it by genre, mood, artist name and duration, and also you can select attribution, required or not required. Let's say I want to get some dramatic and calm music. I can check mark multiple categories and then click at apply to filter music by that categories. Also we can add multiple filters, so let's say I would like to search for a music longer than 30 seconds. Okay, and then also I'm gonna choose genre, classical, pop, holiday, hip-hop and rap. In this way we can filter sounds by different categories at the same time, and then we can just click at that play icons to listen to that music. In this way we can go through all of this list, and once we find a music you would like to download, all you have to do is just click right here at the bottom right corner at that icon. I can just click on it, and then in this way I can just save this sound to my computer. After that I can go to my downloads folder, and that's where I can find this mp3 file I have just downloaded. If you like some music, you can add that music to favorites just by clicking at that stars icon, and then you will be able to find all start musics or tracks right here at start. That's how you can easily download songs from YouTube.